Planning a trip to Azerbaijan? Let's quickly cover the key visa document requirements and what you need to prepare. First, check whether you need a visa. Most foreign travelers do, unless they are from a visa-exempt country. Depending on your trip length, purpose, and number of entries, you can choose an Azerbaijan eVisa or a sticker visa. For the Azerbaijan eVisa, your passport matters most. You must be from an eligible country, and your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your intended entry date. If it expires within 6 months, renew it before applying. You will upload a clear image of your passport's biographical page, and all details must be readable. Your eVisa is valid for 90 days from issuance. You can enter any time within that period, and it allows a single entry with a stay of up to 30 days. When filling the application form, you'll provide your personal details, contact details, passport details, and travel details like arrival date and accommodation address. Review everything carefully. Mistakes can cause delays or refusal. Apply at least 3 days before travel. Finally, keep a printout of your eVisa and your passport for border checks, and if you plan to stay more than 15 days, register with the State Migration Service within 15 days of arrival.